Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unboxing NCT Dream second mini album, We Go Up. So this is the front. I really love this album. Side, love this basketball. Back. So this is the CD. Also have basketball. So cute, Ranger mark. Oh, so cute. This group photo, so cute. Oh, this also cute. Oh my god, mark. And yep, this is the last page. Oh my god, I love the group photo. Oh, have credit. And here is so cute. Alright. For the inclusion, we have this is fan card and have stickers. So cute. And for the photo card, we got Hechan. Hechan, so cute. Okay, very adorable. Thank you for watching. Bye.